Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your WordPress admin password from cPanel and then going into phpMyAdmin. Now, we've all been here before. You go to log into one of your WordPress sites and you forgot what the password is. So I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to reset your password from cPanel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to log into your cPanel account that is tied to this domain. And then once you log in, you're going to go down and you're going to find the section and the link for phpMyAdmin. Go ahead and click on it. And then this is going to pull up the admin that should list your database. So over here on the left-hand column, you should probably only see one main database, so you need to click on that link. Okay, what we want to do is we want to find the table called WP Users. So you're going to scroll down. You should be able to see it on this first list or first column here. So go ahead and scroll all the way down, WP Users. Once you click on that, it's going to open up the table that lists all the users that have been created on your WordPress install. More than likely, you're going to have just the one, which is your admin. So what you want to do is right here, you want to put your cursor right here. There's a couple of different ways to do it. You can either click on Edit or you can double click and change it that way. I'm going to click on Edit. Okay, this third line here called user pass, that's the password. So as you can see, it's in an encrypted format. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and change it to whatever we want it to be. So for this example, I'm just going to say this. Highly recommend that you create strong passwords with multiple characters, uppercase, lowercase, for WordPress. And I'm going to end up changing this after we're done, but this is what it's going to be for now. I'm going to type it out in a file and save it so I have it, and then I'm going to copy it so I don't have to type that big thing again. And I'm going to go back over here to my phpMyAdmin. I'm going to paste that in. And I'm going to go over here on the left side, and I need to select the option called MD5. I'm not going to explain what that is. That's just a method to encrypt the password. Once you do that, go down here and click on the Go button. That's going to save it, and as you can see, it has encrypted it. So the other thing you need to know, if you do not know what your login name was, go ahead and you can grab that here as well, or you can use the email address that you originally set up. So now that I know that, I know the username and I know the password. I'm going to go back to my WordPress admin login. And once I enter these new credentials, we should be able to log in. I'll copy that again and paste it. Depending on what browser you are using, it may ask you if you want to save it. You can do that. And we are in. I hope that was helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and get other tips, tricks, and case studies on internet marketing and web design. Thanks.